If you're logged out of your City mobile app, you can reset access in minutes without calling support. Here's how. Open City mobile app, tap Forgot user or password, choose password, reset, and enter required details. It will ask you for your ATM, debit or credit card number, so enter it. Verify using your SMS, email, or secure key. Create a new password and confirm. Make sure the new password that you are creating is a strong one so people do not have access to your account. After that, log back in and re-enable biometrics if needed. Tip: if SMS does not arrive, switch to email or secure key verification, and that's it. Subscribe.